I had this notebook that was given to me as a journal, but because I keep everything on my Mac, we decided to turn it into a bit of a guest book. So we took it with us, and then if we met somebody cool, we'd ask them to sign the book. And we did meet a lot of pretty cool people. We met that guy from China that was cycling from China to Cape Town. And we met him when he was just outside of Cape Town. And actually, somebody stole his bike and ripped it up into a million pieces, we found out later. And the farmers in the area all came together and rebuilt his bike and sent him on his way. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, so we have these, they have their addresses and just a couple of kind words. And whether it was English, Afrikaans, or Chinese, or Mandarin, or whatever it was, they could feel free to leave a couple of notes. So it's a nice little memento. This is the highest bridge jump for a bungee in the world, but apparently it's closed down right now because the bridge is unsafe. It's probably a good move on their part. You do need a bridge to do a bridge bungee jump.
But are you disappointed because this was the one thing you wanted to do on this trip?
Nope, I don't bungee jump. You know why? Because I saw a Dateline episode once about neck injuries, and I like my neck, so I don't want to like when you go down. No, gotta be careful.
On the bike you see much more in a slow motion than flying from city to city or drive fast 100 kilometers per hour. So it's a different way of seeing the world.
My family is originally from South Africa, and my dad was raised on a sheep farm in the Karoo. Throughout most of his life, South Africa had been under the shadow of apartheid, and by the time I was 6 years old, the country's struggle for freedom was making it a dangerous place to raise a family. When my mother became pregnant with my brother Arno, they knew it was time to act. Something I will always give him credit for is his undeniable boldness. He is brave, and no matter what he sets his mind to, he gets it done. So, like any other plan of his, he made the craziest sounding thing happen and moved his entire family 10,000 miles across the world to Canada.
Well, it was pretty tough because 10 kilometers straight up, and especially with the truck and the traffic, and roadworks, it was quite difficult to start the morning off with a climb like that. I'm glad it's over.
The reason for the late discovery is the pathway at the back. The pathway that we just made use of to enter was non-existent.